Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. I have a lot of multi-packs from Hot Wheels and Matchbox that still need to be opened. Since we did not have a Matchbox video this week, I thought I'd open up a few Matchbox ones. These are going to be 10 packs and one 20 pack that I have from Matchbox. Not very recent ones, because these don't come up for sale often here in Europe. The most recent one I have here is the one here in front of us. It's a 2017 one, and then we're going to go further along the line towards the oldest one, which is the 20 pack that is from 2014. So I found most of these in 2018, or I bought most of these in 2018, because obviously these were for sale for quite some time, especially that 20 pack from 2014. So this is the exclusive vehicle in the 10 pack, the 70 El Camino, very striking blue. So get the stripe and get lots of details on the side. Very cool. This is not so interesting. Roar by 4. Then we got the Lammle pickup truck. Ford F-150 SVT Raptor from 2010. Lammle's leaks, it says. And there the man himself, John Lambert, inside the tire. It's in a very nice flat blue or matte blue. Did not know that. I thought it was more shiny, so that's cool. Very nice. Then we got the Crop Master. This is kind of a cool one. The Acre Maker. I know so because it says so here on the side. And this is the Snow Thrasher. And we got the 15 Range Rover Evoque in black. Looking very cool. I just noticed this doesn't have an interior. It's the first time I noticed that. Oh well. The Ford F550 Super Duty. Metal in front, plastic in the back. The Baja Bandit. And then this very cool VW Transporter crew cab without the gear in the trunk, in the, well, not trunk, in the bed in the back. Comes in 2 versions. Very nice model. Then the next one, also 2017. I got this one really cheap. The exclusive model to the 10 pack, the Ford Shelby, well actually not Ford, just Shelby GT500 convertible, based on the Ford Mustang, of course. A little bit of detail on the side, but that's it. Could have done better with this one, but it's a very nice model. I like to collect these. This is a nice one too. The Cadillac Cts Coupe from 2011. Very cool model. Even got the license plate. We got another of these Acre Makers. And some kind of a boat thing with some water. What's it called? Doesn't say. Who cares? Bronco 4x4 1972. Also Matchbox ambassador vehicle like the Lammle one. SWAT truck, metal base, plastic body. Again a Cropmaster. Malibu Marauder, whatever that is. Baja Bandit, yeah. Then we go to 2016. Very happy to have this one because I collect this model, and I have almost all of them except for the Central Parks one. That's a hard one to find. So here's this lovely Toyota 4Runner 1985. Cool. Nice one. Another boat, Swamp Commander, helicopter, Sea Hunter. This is kind of a cool fancy model, the Road Raider. The military flat green color. And I have an ink model, the Dirt Smasher. Do like to collect these. This thing goes up and down. The Skidster. I believe it is. Yes, it is. The Cayman by Porsche. A very cool 93 Ford Mustang LX SSP. Lens headlights. The Terrain Trouncer. And then some airport vehicle, Runway Wrangler. Next up, 2016 still. Exclusive vehicle, the 1963 Mac B model. Very cool fire truck, a lot of detail on the side. That's how we like it. That's a job well done. This is also kind of a cool one, the Road Mauler, because it has 6 wheels. Some gear in the back. We got the 2015 Ford F-150 Contractor truck in yellow. This tiny little thing is called the Nothing. This goes up probably, yeah. All the way to the other side. Don't know what that's good for. This one too probably. Groundbreaker, yep. We got a massive train here, a heavy freighter. The Zamboni, this is licensed, and this goes up. Not a lot of metal on it, just this shiny blue part here, that's it. So that's a bit cheap. The Quicksander. Bay Brigade, not a boat with wheels. And then also a multi-pack exclusive, this 2005 Ford GT, a very nice blue, very nice version, rendition of it. Cool. And then we go to the 20 pack. This is from 2014. Got a few multi-pack exclusives in here too. So we got the Cadillac Cts Coupe 2011. So we got the blue one from the other pack, and here we have the red one. A little bit more detail in the front on the red one. Back is kind of similar, not completely, but kind of similar. And we have the Lamborghini Gallardo, Gallardo LP564 Polizia. Doesn't say Polizia on the door, it says police. It's okay. This is also a multi-pack exclusive, the Lamborghini Miura P400S from 1968. Miura. Very nice. This is painted. This black piece here is not part of some plastic piece, so very cool. License plate too. 400 Lambo. Very nice one. Then we got the Ford Mustang GT CS California Special 1968 in a brown color. Kind of suits it well. A very cool police or fire department vehicle, the 2006 Ford Crown Victoria. Still got the separate light bar, imagine that. That's cool. This is the Rock Shocker, the Ridge Raider, some garbage thing, garbage gulper. This is another Ford F550 Super Duty. So we got the other one, the silver one. Where is it? Can't seem to find it. Here it is. So you got the silver version, and now the yellow. This is the Road Rider. This is also a multi-pack exclusive, a sport SUV. This is kind of an okay fantasy casting because it looks a little bit realistic. Another ink vehicle, the Ground Grinder. Pretty long one. And then we got this fluorescent cliffhanger. The 4x4 buggy. This is also a multi-pack exclusive. Doesn't say the name. I'm not sure if it's an Oshkosh or another brand or an international. It's one of the two. Probably the international. Does this open up? No. No interior either. Got some gear in the back. Cool. Another six-wheeler. This is the... It doesn't say, so I have no idea. Does this come off? Kinda does. Yep. And there's also some gear in the back. I don't think there's any metal on this one. It's all plastic, I think. Yeah, and it's big, really big. The ground breaker again. Travel tracker. This comes off too, I think. Maybe not. Yep, there it is. Another 6-wheeler, but not that big. Trail tracker. And another acre maker for finishing. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.